There's 104 days of summer vacation, and school comes along just to end it. So the annual problem for our generation is finding a good way to spend it.
But this cash up on a new toy. But this cash up on a new toy. You can't understand us cause you're too soft. Taliban bands run them straight through the machinery. They came through with a stick and you heard it. They came through in this bitch and they was swerving. I can't believe the blood ain't on my shirt. Because he got hit close range. We be talking stick talk, we be talking bricks too. We be talking lick talk.
The party don't start till we walk in. I usually don't leave until the thing ends. But in the meantime and in between time, she working the other one and I'ma work my Say the party don't start not till we walk in.
Just sing it out for me, just sing.
You made me happy. This you can bear.
Okay, y'all, so I'm downtown and my friend Tyler is in town. I feel like I ain't seen him in like years. He has a vlog. It's called Fashion Killed the Kid. And I don't know, maybe he'll tell y'all.
Be kind of loud though. It's fine. I can. And my face looks back. Can you edit out my acting right now?
You can't see it.
Oh, you're recording. Okay.
Yeah.
When are you gonna start so we can edit that out? Wait. Okay, so your vlogs are really good.
Thank you. Say hi, guys.
A vlog?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I have to be more like. I can't be. Well, you have to wait until like we get outside. So
Okay.
I can be like animated. Right now, I'm like. I don't want to be like. I'm gonna be my friends. Hi. Like I don't want to be like. I need to be like. Hey.
Right. Store. I knew that store by the back of my hand before I even worked there.
Is that how you like started working there? You was like.
Yeah, because I was just old.
You told me I already worked for the company.
Yeah. And then I just. Oh. Yo, let me tell you about what happened though. Okay, so this is Tyler.
This is Tyler. He's very entertaining.
Very entertaining.
Say hi.
This is Daniel.
All the way from LA.
All the way from LA. What's up, y'all?
We're Calabasas Princess.
Showing us around, tour guide Leah.
The gate is open right there, right?
While we look in the damn, is that the window? Is that the door? Maybe you want to look over there?
Hey, little child, don't you worry. Stuttering and shaking outfit. Beauty's never given in a hurry. So condescending, leave your questions here.
Hello? Hello? I'm actually not even.
I feel as though I'm cheated because instead of me fulfilling my prophecy, I have to start one. Instead of me, you know, doing a good job and carrying on the empire, I have to build one. And that's a hell of a job for a 21-year-old. You know what I'm saying? That's a hell of a job for any youngster, male or female, to have to build an empire for your family.
You gonna record this? You about to have a little segment. When my friends come up in
Their first Philly cheesesteak.
oh, here we can put this right in my backside.
Their authenticity.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm a gross eater, so I don't care, but.
You like it? I take the silence as a good thing.
how you are at the moment? Is there some idea that at some point in the future you can be better than how you are right now, based on all sorts of ideas that you've accumulated and that you've been fed? So if you're not happy with who you are, that's actually good news, because you're not who you think you are. Who you think you are is who you think you are.